to advanced lectures of 2025 August. Today we're going to be doing Thursday. Today we've got 8:30 news, PPI and unemployment, and then we've got Trump speaking post PM. So we're going to skip it over to 9 o'clock. We can give a little pre-market, draw on liquidity. Just a reminder of what we're looking for. We'll skip this over. Oh, wow. What is that, bro? Okay. So, just a reminder of what we are looking for as a trader. Goals as a trader. Find the draw on liquidity and trade in that direction. That is it. There is no strategy needed. You just find where price is going. You have reasoning behind that, and you take trades in that direction. There's no secret sauce. There is nothing. It's just simple as that. And if you get it wrong and your trade is wrong, it's because you got the wrong draw on liquidity. That's it. You move on next day. So far, these past 3 days or 3 videos, we're probably up. Realized P&L up about 2.3, 2.4k, and then with the forward test video that we didn't get an entry on, but we forward tested both entries and they both played out, would be on about maybe 6.5k, something like that, in total. Obviously the grind doesn't stop. We've posted a video every single day this month, which is crazy. Obviously we've done a lot of psychology videos, so this week purely price action based, being completely self-aware of my own skill set after having a month out. So yeah, let's get cracking. Obviously this is the 8:30 news. We'll look on the daily time frame. We do have a new all-time high, and this could be a target for later in the future. For right now, it looks like we're sending price into this IRL. So for me, I'd be seeing shorts out of here until we're in this IRL here. So let's refine it. So 4 hour we can refine to nothing. 1 hour we can refine to here. So we could see if we get a reaction from this gap. We can probably even refine that even more. Lowest gap we have is down here. So we'll see what price does. We actually bottom tick that price. See what we do. But yeah, so far I think I'd be bearish until this zone. However, now that we are in the zone, I'd probably be a bit more bullish towards highs. But we'll see. I mean, we've got this big imbalance that we probably are going to come and fill. So we'll just skip price out, just watch, see what happens. Be interesting to see how we open at 9. We open low, or if we open high, or if we just accumulate. Okay, so 9:30. Cool. See how we react. So far bullish. Now, if the draw on liquidity is still lower, which, I mean, it doesn't need to be. Doesn't actually need to be, no. Because we're in this daily IRL, we have everything refined. This is the lowest point. Even in this leg here, there's no gaps, which is the wick. So that this genuinely should pump price. However, it is a bit more techy. We're on this big IRL that we can now refine. So we can delete this. This would now be an IRL to ERL move, targeting highs. So we can refine this IRL to see where we're likely to stop. This is the same, and this is the same. We've got no gaps. Other than here, that's unmitigated. So we could even want to just stop here. But right now, it looks a bit more bullish, a bit more aligned. Obviously, we don't move in a straight line, so I'd probably want to see something like this type thing. But we'll see. We'll see what macro has for us. Okay, so I think, I mean, the longs would have to be out of there. The only problem is there is actually a 5-minute gap lower. So maybe we want to see longs out of here, but yeah, right now need the Elim range. Bit bullish. This should hold. And our highs have been taken. As soon as we take that high, we then start retracing. So now where do we think our drawn liquidity is? So this would be IRL to ERL. We haven't taken this high yet, so this could be the retracement down. These two M5 gaps that we'd probably rather long out of. Okay, may this be a non-trade. Doesn't really look like it's moving. 10:30 opens, takes out the high. Could now see retracement. I don't think this will be a trade. It's not too great. Yeah, I don't think there's a trade for me here. Do now have this gap though. We've taken out this high. The best I'd probably want to do, short this gap to here. That would be it. That would quite literally be my trade. We'll do 1%. And TP hit without me. So yeah, we'll see if we long out of here, but yeah, how I made $0 day trading. We'll see if we're eventually longs or not, but yeah, not really much I could have really done. We had a big news drive. Obviously, we knew we'd need to retrace. Did bottom tick our levels. Wasn't really much of an entry even prior to 9:30. Like 9:30 opens, maybe could have longed this gap, but it's a lot of accumulation. So yeah, not a great day. We'll see overall outcome for drawn liquidity is bullish or not. So we'll probably just chop, to be fair. And we chop. So yeah, not a great day. This will just be how I made $0. But hopefully you enjoyed. I mean, the concept still played. I mean, the target still played. It's just shame we didn't get on. This is what happens though. Some days you get in, some days you don't. And yeah. So hopefully you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in a bit.